Module 2, Lesson 9's objective continues on this homework page. The students will go from concrete to abstract, measure lengths of string using measurement tools, represent length with tape diagrams to represent and compare the lengths. Item 2 asks you to measure the two lines below. This is simple to do using a centimeter ruler. Be sure that the side of the ruler that you use is the side labeled centimeters. Then place the ruler up against the line's end point and begin measuring. As can be seen in this presentation, the line A measures 9 centimeters. So we need to record that on line A. For line B, you are unable to use a centimeter ruler to measure a squiggly line. Instead, we learned about meter tapes in Lesson 4. Meter tapes are used to measure something that is round or not straight. If you do not have a meter tape, I would suggest that you take a piece of string and curve it along the line that's on your paper and then cut it off. After you have made a squiggly line with your string, then straighten out the string and measure the string using a centimeter ruler. If you don't have a string, then you can use your shoelace. After you find out the length of line B, using either of those techniques, write it on line B. Problem number 2C says, together lines A and B measure blank centimeters. When you see the word together, that means they want you to join it. So we'll put line A's number here and line B's number here. Because they want you to put it together, that means we're going to add them together. We already know that line A is 9 centimeters, so we'll put a 9 on that line. And then whatever you found out that line B is, put that number there, and then add the two numbers together to get the answer. That answer will be written on this line. 2D says, line A is blank centimeters shorter or longer than line B. I don't know if line A is shorter or longer because I've not measured line B, but you have. So at this time, circle either the word shorter or longer. Is line A shorter or is line A longer? Circle one of those words now. Then what you'll do is write the answer, figure out the answer by writing a line here. The number of centimeters for the longer line will go here. The shorter line will go here. Because you're comparing the length of two lines, you're finding the difference, and the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Whatever the answer to this problem is, will go on line D. For problem number 3, Kim is decorating a table for a party. Measure the ribbons she is using to decorate. Again, this is going to be something that you need to use a meter tape for, since it is not something straight. If you do not have a meter tape, you can use a piece of string and lay it over the top of the line to make that shape. Cut it off, then straighten the string and put it on a centimeter ruler. Or you could even use your shoelace. Once you have figured out the length of the string, write it on that line there. Kim needs 1 meter of ribbon. How much more ribbon does Kim need than what she has? Well, we learned that 1 meter is the same thing as 100 centimeters. So, we're going to take the 100 centimeters that she needs, and we're going to subtract the amount that she has already to get our answer. Remember, the amount that she has already is the amount that you've written above. So we'll go ahead and put that number right here as well. Don't forget, once you find the answer to how much more ribbon she needs, we should write it in an answer in words, since this is a word problem. Kim needs blank more ribbon. Period. Make sure the number that you put on the line is in centimeters.